It's very amazing to witness all the students and their creativity as well. And they have done really well. And I've seen almost all of them, and all of them are very curious about telling what they have made, and that is also one thing which I really appreciate about the students. And amazing. Like I've never seen, maybe I've never been a part of such place like before. That's why I found it really amazing. And the students' enthusiasm, creativity, their zeal to welcome everybody going around them and explain it. And it's not just the creativity, not just the science, because I'm more inclined towards, their welcoming behavior kind of. Of course, science is also one of the important parts that they have presented really well. And creativity is of course amazing. So thanks to everybody, and thanks to Dharmendra sir as well as Adisha ma'am for calling me here, and congratulations to everybody. Keep it up. Thank you.